In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox number of items you don't own in this outfit error. So there's a common error that can occur when you try to equip an outfit that contains an item that you no longer own. The possibility of why you are getting this error is maybe you accidentally deleted the items from your inventory, or the item was removed from the Roblox catalog. Now to fix this error, just simply remove the item that you don't own from the outfit. Now to do this, go to your menu and click on Avatar. And from here, just click the outfit tabs or the clothing lines, and then click on the outfit that you want to edit. And then click on the remove button next to the item that you don't own. Or you can just replace the item that you don't own with another item. And to do that also, just click on the outfit tabs or the clothing lines, and then click on to the outfits that you want to edit and click on add button and select the items that you want to replace. So you can try doing that into your Roblox account. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.